Hey guys, bringing out a new video here, just of the Polaris 2020 SKS 850. What I'm going to do is just get a stock reading of how loud it is at idle and revving it up on a engine stand. I plan to compare that to when I do get an aftermarket exhaust down the road. I want to see what's the comparison in noise values, I guess, as to how hard it is on your hearing or whatever like that scenario. So that being said, got a bit of a chart going here on the computer you guys can check out. Get it focused on there properly. Okay. So here we can see snowmobile comes in at 100 decibels. That's for this chart. We'll see where the Polaris comes in. My guess is it's going to be probably around the 90 decibel. Here's everything that actually, anything above 140 decibels, you're looking at hearing damage. So that's basically a jet engine at 100 feet. Okay, shotgun. Oops. And hearing tissue, or hearing loss, I think is what they're meaning. Death of hearing tissue. Basically, hearing loss starts at about 180 decibels. And right here it says loudest sound possible is 194 decibels. I don't know what the heck. What would be loudest sound possible? I don't know. But anyways, okay, we'll get this set up and we'll fire up the sled and see how loud it is. Okay guys, here we go. Let's start this thing up. Okay, so at idle here, we're about bouncing around between 82 and 76. It's pretty quiet. It's quieter than I thought. That's real quiet, eh? Temperature's up. Very good. Right. we just did that live test there, see how loud a stock 850 Polaris is, and I was quite surprised to see it so low. I did see the numbers as far as what it was at idle. I haven't looked yet at the video, so I have no clue what it is at full rev. I did rev it up pretty good, just for a few short bursts, about 7,900 in around there, which is pretty good. So and the temps went up to about 104, 106, and then I decided that's good enough and shut it down. And it was well warmed when I did give her, so it should be plenty fine. Give us a ballpark number of how noisy these things are, which to me they are pretty quiet in their stock box format kind of thing, out of the crate, as they say, I guess. So yeah, we'll roll the rest of that video, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.